Hello everyone, welcome to my channel URT. Today we're gonna unbox and review the USB LAN card, or you can say USB Ethernet port, which is from Quantum. It's a USB 2.0 LAN adapter. Let you can check here. It supports up to Windows 8.1. It switches 10 or 100 Mbps network automatically. So let's go review it how it works. Well, I ordered it from Amazon. So let's go and check it out how it works. Okay, now I am going to test this LAN adapter. First I will do a speed test before connecting it to computer, and again after connecting it. Let's see how it performs. Well, it is the speed of BSNL. Now we have connected the LAN adapter. We will check the speed. Let's do another speed test. Speed remains same with this adapter also. For 250 rupees, I think it is a very good product. It works very well. One thing is, it gets heated after 10 or 15 minutes of use, but still it works after that for very long time. Well, this was my review for this product. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.